Welcome to the RMail video short series on the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook settings. The RMail app for Microsoft Outlook allows you to send emails using the RMail track and prove, encrypt, e-sign, file share, and other features. This video will review the RMail track and prove settings in the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook. To view the settings, you have two options. From the inbox, press File, then RMail Settings. The second option is from the Feature dialog box. Press the Settings button. There are two main sections in the Track and Prove Settings tab: Proof Records and Unmarked options. The first option in the Proof Records section is to receive the acknowledgement email confirming processing of a message. The acknowledgement email is an email that's sent back from the RMail system once it has received the email for processing. This is a placeholder until the register receipt is issued. When checked, the acknowledgement email will be sent. If unchecked, no acknowledgement email will be sent. The second option in Proof Records is to save the registered receipts email in a separate RMail Receipts folder. This is a subfolder of the inbox where the registered receipt emails automatically file once they are received. When checked, the registered receipt emails will automatically file into that receipt folder. When unchecked, the receipts will stay in your inbox. The second section in the Track and Prove is the Unmarked option. An RMail message sent unmarked as a registered email message is received without any banners or special RMail markings. There are two unmarked options. The first is to allow the option to send unmarked messages, and the second is to pre-select the unmarked option by default. If the unmarked option is unchecked, then on the feature panel, unmarked is grayed out. If the pre-select unmarked option by default is checked, then when the send registered button is pressed, unmarked is pre-selected by default. Please note, your administrator does have the ability to override these settings, so if they are not working as expected, please contact your administrator. Please be sure to watch other RMail videos to learn more. Thank you.